Heather, this adorable beach condo in Laketown. What do you love about it?
I love this. A 1-bedroom unit has been remodeled. I love that they put the upgrades in there. It's fully perfectly coastal. You can use it for your family. Of course you want to get that rental income potential out of it. I can't wait to show this one to you. Come on. Welcome to this 1-bed, 1-bath condo here at Laketown, and it's got a bunk room. Check out this kitchen. It's got a great coastal feel. I love how these granite countertops look like sand, and they've made updates such as the lighting and the appliances. And I love that it's open and spacious. You can have your guests, your kids, your family, whatever here, enjoying as dinner's being prepared and kind of coming off the beach for the day. Let's check out this bedroom and stay tuned for the balcony. Welcome into this expansive main ensuite. Now, it may not look like there's a lot of room here, but this bed it's almost like its own little throne. And so it takes up a lot of space, but you've got this 1-bed unit and this beautiful ensuite with granite countertops and plenty of space. Go check it out. Welcome into this bunk space. I love that that barn door gives some separation and some quietness for when the kids or somebody's ready to go to bed. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got that listing link there for you.
And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals.